welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to apply an Anguilla eVisa on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body, so in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Anguilla eVisa website on my Android device. So it's very simple, like you need to apply online, confirm, pay, and then print. It is granted. I click on apply online. Here, apply now. Okay, so very first thing is disclaimer, like it's in 5 tabs. So first you need to read the disclaimer, and if you're okay, you're going to tap on next. So disclaimer, applicant info, personal info, application info, and then eligibility questions. Okay, fine. Next, this is applicant, type of visa. I select single entry, but yeah, depending on your requirement. Surname, given name, I just filled. Gender, date of birth as per your case, country of birth, it's a country of citizenship. Like all the data I'm going to put sample, you have to enter as per your situation, okay, as per your case, and everything you enter you have to check it at least 2 times. Do you hold or have you ever held any other nationality citizenship? Answer no. Travel document type, I select ordinary passport. Passport number, country, issue date, expired. Anything you enter, check 2 times. Next is gonna be your contact information, email address, confirm your telephone number. Be very careful, okay? And then tap on next. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see. Okay, now we have come to personal info. So it's asking for your address. Then you need to upload your photo, travel document, your passport photo, okay? Then family information, family relationships, I select single, but if you are married, select single. Employment, so put yes, and if you are employed, and provide the information about your employer. Okay, so first your address, photo, passport, then marital information. If you select married, then it's asking for dependent. I said no. If you select yes, you're not going to provide the number. So do it as per your own case, not exactly what you see here. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, next is application info, intended arrival date, departure date. Do it as per your own case. Purpose, I select vacation. What you are gonna do, please tell us something. So write as per okay, why you are going there, what you are gonna do, what are your plans, just describe. I just did like this, but don't do accommodation type. So if you say a hotel, so provide the information, sample information guide, like if you're a hotel, like if you and any other accommodation type, provide that information. Sponsor, I selected no. If you select yes, it's gonna ask for your sponsor information. I'm gonna go for next. Eligibility, have you been there in last 10 years? I select no. Have you entered illegally, given false, like read everything and then answer as per your own case. And then next, then you'll submit it and then you will go for payment. So of course I am not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.